so good to be able to treat yourself to whatever you want to eat and go wherever you want to go and things like that. I've been working hard for over 30 years. And I'm going to keep on working, and I'm going to keep on working so I can keep on doing what I want to do. And y'all get used to seeing this dress. I have new clothes hanging in the closet. I'm not putting them on. I absolutely refuse. My daughter even bought me 2 more new dresses for my birthday, and I'm not putting them on. I'm comfortable in this. It's like just like a maxi dress. I had got it for my birthday a couple of years ago, and I'm comfortable in it. It's clean, and this is what it's going to be. All right, y'all, let's see what we got. Well, for starters, I got a strawberry lemonade, which I was not supposed to have, but I did see somebody else come out with theirs. So I had my text my daughter real quick before she got up to the line, but my text wouldn't go through. So then she got up to the line. I was like, yes, I made it in time to get me a strawberry lemonade. I haven't had one in so long. Let's go ahead and try it. Wow. If you want something tangy and real sweet at the same time, then baby, I never eat the coleslaw, but I do mess with this hot sauce and this ketchup. You got enough ketchup? I do mess with the hot sauce, and these are the ketchup packets that they have. Let me let y'all see this plate though. Hold on. I got combination fried chicken wings, french fries, and shrimp. As y'all can see. I'm gonna tear this up. I think I want to get just a little bougie. So oh yeah. Yeah, one thing I do, I tear my wings apart like this, all of them. Just something that I do. I tear them apart. The next thing I do is I take majority of these fries out of my plate. Because they give you too many. They give you way too many. And I can barely finish on my fries. Then I open my hot sauce, sit it in the tray that I took some of the fries out, open my ketchup, and this little powdery stuff on the chicken, it can be a bit messy. And I'm just gonna make me a hot sauce and ketchup mix. That's what I'm about to do. Sometimes I do that. Now just pour some of the hot sauce in there. And then I'm gonna pour a lot more ketchup in it than hot sauce. Because I eat hot sauce, but I ain't no vet at eating hot sauce. And my girl is over here messing hers up too. I don't even know if I want bread today. I don't know. My stomach been a little bit like, I don't know. I haven't been able to eat. So I did 4 packets of ketchup, y'all. I'm not a big, I don't dip. I just do like very light a little. Baby. What is that for?
It's not in the bag.
Okay, see. Nope. Give me some out here. Yeah. The shrimp is 10 out of 10.
It's spicy, guys.
Go get you one.
I can't do it.
She want an icy, but she can't have one. Sorry, daughter. Let's get into this chicken wing. When I tell you they have the best seasoning, I'm not a seasoning eater. But I like their seasoning. Man. Y'all, I'm not even exaggerating. Dip the fry. Talking about perfect. You gotta lick your finger. Y'all comment down below where I should go eat up. Keeping in mind I ain't even supposed to be eating out. Do y'all bite y'all chicken or piece off of it? Let me know. Do y'all bite or piece off your chicken? Okay. JJ's is 10 out of 10 today. Thank y'all for watching this video with me and sampling my food. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute because I'm finna get down.